Hey guys, and the device I have below, I have a bit-scope analyzer, right? I have a bit-scope analyzer and it's connected to a wireless charger, and we want to use the bit-scope to test acoustic frequency for waves. So, we're just going to drop this underwater, right? Let's see how it goes. We're still testing. Still testing. Still testing. Still testing. Still testing. Oh, jeez. Still testing. You can still see it.
It got stuck.
Okay. Still testing. Again, we're still testing, right? It's still glowing, right? So the waterproof is still mostly sealed, right? Obviously, we're just trying to test at least the strength of the enclosure right now. We're not trying to like fully immerse this yet. Fully immersing this would like require weights, right? But so far, the enclosure seems mostly sealed. But yeah, so far, enclosure seems mostly sealed. Again, we're not trying to test this too much. In the end, we can put weights in it, but we're actually trying to test the actual like survival of the enclosure, right? And it has a bit scope analyzer for analyzing signal frequency strength. Okay, done.